All right, everybody, welcome to another deep dive. Today, we're going to be taking a deep dive into a platform called Rewardful.
Sounds pretty rewarding, I hope.
Uh-huh. Well, we'll see. But seriously, this platform has some seriously interesting potential for SaaS businesses.
Yeah, definitely. It seems like a lot of companies are turning to Rewardful to launch and manage their affiliate programs.
Exactly. So, like always, we've done a bunch of research on Rewardful, and I think we're going to uncover some pretty interesting features. Features that can make a big difference if you're looking to leverage the power of affiliate marketing.
Absolutely. So let's start with the basics. What exactly is Rewardful?
Yeah, let's break it down. What is this thing?
So Rewardful is an affiliate and referral program management platform, but with a very specific focus: SaaS companies.
SaaS focus. Okay, so why is that focus so important? I mean, couldn't a SaaS company just use any affiliate platform out there?
That's a great question. See, SaaS businesses operate on a different model than, say, e-commerce. It's about recurring revenue, long-term customer relationships. You're not just selling a one-time product.
Gotcha. It's about building those lasting connections.
Right. And that's where a platform like Rewardful comes in. It understands those unique dynamics of the SaaS world and offers features that are tailored to that specific journey.
I'm starting to see why they're making waves in the SaaS space. So what kind of features are we talking about? What makes Rewardful stand out?
Well, one of the biggest things is their seamless integration with payment platforms like Stripe and Paddle.
Okay, now those are some big names in SaaS payments. What's the big deal about that integration?
Well, it just makes everything so much easier. Automatic payouts to your affiliates, real-time tracking of everything. It takes a lot of the manual work out of the equation.
Less admin work, more time to focus on growing your business.
Exactly. Plus, you have really granular control over your commission structure. Like, imagine you want to offer different commission rates to different types of affiliates.
Yeah, makes sense. Like maybe you've got bloggers who are promoting your product in one way and then, say, review sites doing something completely different.
Precisely. You can customize everything to incentivize your affiliates in a way that aligns with your overall strategy.
That level of customization seems like a game changer, but let's be honest, sometimes these platforms can be a bit overwhelming to set up, even for someone who's tech savvy.
Oh, I totally get it. But Rewardful actually prides itself on being user-friendly. They've put a lot of effort into making the setup process as smooth as possible.
So no need to be a coding wizard to figure it out.
Definitely not. They walk you through everything step by step. And the best part is, once you're up and running, you have access to some amazing real-time reporting tools.
Data is king, right?
Absolutely. You can see exactly how your affiliate program is performing, which affiliates are driving the most conversions, what campaigns are working best. It's all about making data-driven decisions, no more guessing games.
It's like having a crystal ball for your affiliate marketing efforts. All right, so we've covered the integrations, the customization, the data. Anything else that jumped out at you as particularly impressive?
You know, one thing that might seem small but really stood out to me is their insistence on email confirmation for all transactions. It's just an extra layer of security, but it shows that they're really committed to protecting both the businesses and the affiliates involved.
Transparency and security?
Yeah.
Definitely important factors when you're dealing with financial transactions and partnerships.
Exactly. And they don't stop there. They have a ton of resources available to help you get the most out of the platform, and their terms and conditions are super clear and easy to understand.
It's all about building trust, which is essential for any successful affiliate program.
Absolutely. It's not just about having the software, it's about building those strong, transparent relationships with your affiliates. That's how you create a program that can truly thrive over the long term.
So, to sum it up, Rewardful seems to offer a pretty compelling solution for SaaS companies looking to supercharge their affiliate marketing efforts.
I think so. But remember, at the end of the day, the platform is just a tool. The real magic happens when you combine it with a solid strategy and a genuine commitment to building those win-win partnerships with your affiliates.
It's about taking those tools and crafting an affiliate program that perfectly aligns with your business goals and values. And that's the real challenge and the real opportunity. Well, that's all the time we have for today's deep dive on Rewardful. If you're a SaaS founder, I highly recommend checking out their website and exploring what this platform can do for your business. Until next time.
See you there.